Welcome to our channel Lvarte, where travel is an art. Andaman and Nicobar Islands form a group of islands that are very famous for their golden shoreline beaches, lip-smacking seafood, and the calm vibes. Water sports like snorkeling, underwater diving, boating, kayaking, etc. are experienced by visitors there. Due to the ample beauty of the ocean bed, the visitors mostly prefer scuba diving. The best scuba diving depends on certain factors like the water depth, clarity of water, water current, and the weather. We all love adventure sports, the best being scuba diving. However, we are very confused as in where to go for it. So, let's explore the 7 best places for scuba diving in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. If you are confused about the best places for scuba diving, here is a list to help you with it. Number 1 is Lighthouse at the Havelock Islands. With a vast diving site, it is famed for night diving, mostly for PADI and SSI certified divers. Experience the glistening seabed in the moonlight along with various species of aquatic animals. Let's move on to the next on our list, that is Aquarium at Havelock Islands. Mostly for beginner scuba divers, this place is 3 kilometers from Elephant Beach. There are colorful groups of fishes, clear water, and mesmerizing views of the ocean. Third on our list is Barracuda City at Havelock Islands. Witness magnificent sea turtles along with radiant species of fishes and other creatures. With significant depths, this place is good for experienced scuba divers. The fourth on our list is Seduction Point at Havelock Islands. Here, the water is shallow and it has a thick populace of hard staghorn corals and many occupants like Napoleon. It makes this place a remarkable spot if you are here to watch something new. Fifth on our list is Margheritas Mischief at Neil's Island. Well, contrary to its name, this place is very calm and it has a wide assortment of marine animals. A scuba diver in its crystal clear water can spot outlandish marine animals like the dugongs, the batfish, the pufferfish, angelfish, blue spotters, stingrays, yellow snappers, and soldierfish. Surely it's a heaven for divers. Sixth on our list is Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park at Vandoor in Port Blair. Witness the breathtaking flora and fauna of marine life in this one-of-a-kind national park. A fantasy-like visual leaves the observers stunned. It is good for all kind. It's suitable for all kind of diving. Last but not the least, Corruption Rock at Rutland Island. Explore mountains covered in sea. Go over edges, gorge channels and valleys as you navigate. If you are here, you can witness eagle rays, giant Napoleon, tuna and dolphins over here. So let's talk about the age limit for scuba divers in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It ranges from 10 to 60 years. So basically children below 10 years should not go for scuba diving. People above the age of 60 years should not go for this activity. And people who have cardiac issues must not try this activity. May to June is the best time to go for scuba diving. So that's all, guys. What are your favorite spots for scuba diving? Let us know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is Supriti, your host, signing off.